Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying model and iOS so steps match your device. Once done, back up to iCloud or Finder to restore if needed. Now disable screen time, reporting, and stop sharing analytics to Apple because those features surface app and battery details. Make sure your phone is unlocked and you know the passcode. Some options require authentication. This first batch reduces system logging and prepares the iPhone so later steps hide battery use more effectively and safely. You now change app and system behaviors that reveal battery use. Disable background app refresh for apps that report frequent activity, since background wakes create battery entries. Then turn off location or set it to while using or never, because location sampling ties to battery timestamps. Limit notifications and fetch intervals to reduce sporadic power events. These steps won't erase past logs, but they reduce new entries and make future battery reports less informative about which apps were consuming power. To finish, force a refresh of battery stats. Enable low power mode briefly, reboot the device, then check settings battery for changes. You can restrict others from viewing settings by enabling guided access or using a privacy screen. This prevents casual inspection of battery usage. If old usage still appears, reset all settings or restore from the backup you made earlier that clears leftover logs. If things go wrong, restore from backup or contact Apple support. Keep your backup before resetting to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.